All right.
Sure thing.
All right, listen. If it wasn't for me and my RV finding you guys, you'd be shit on a stick. Christ, you're lucky I found you. So you guys are Rochelle, Ellis, Nick, and Coach, right? Y'all look like an odd bunch to me, but whatever. Let's stop at the dairy farm. I have my shit to do.
Up we go. Ammo. Get this. There we
All
go.
right.
Everybody
You
grab
guys
a
are gonna
weapon.
help me
Call
find
Coach.
survivors.
And we
Think
gonna
you
be
can
okay.
handle that?
Just gotta
Come
keep
on.
it. Oh, hell no.
Fire bullets here.
Charger!
We got a charger. This charger's pounding me.
Boomer!
Hey, we might need these.
Jockey!
I'm a reload.
God damn right.
Ho, ho, ho. Spit coming.
Spinner. Son of a bitch.
Nah.
I can always use these.
Weapons.
Oh, shit.
Grabbing a shot.
Oh, hell yeah.
Of course, there's no survivors here. Well, crap. Can you check out the house? Maybe.
No. No. Oh, shit. Excuse me. It's bad.
I hear a charger.
Charger!
Charger.
Why in the hell y'all keep shooting me?
Charger!
Look out.
The door's locked, huh? All right, leave it be for now.
Ammo
Go
here.
find some fuel so we can leave first thing in the morning.
Heads up!
Bullshit.
No. Weapons.
Yes.
Oh, man!
Pour in the can.
I got one.
Got it. Ah!
I got this one.
Damn. Filling it up here. I got it. Pour in the can.
Awesome, thanks. You guys are pretty cool. All right, we need some water. Think you can find any around here?
Charger.
Go! Reloading.
Put me down!
Boomer. God damn. Hell no. Ellis. Boy. Shit, no. Ellis.
Hey, you made it. Good job. All right, I managed to get into that room over there for you. Take a look around and maybe we can sleep here for the night.
N-O. Ain't gonna happen. Safe house up ahead. Hell no. You crazy?
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Shoot the shit out of that thing! As fast as I can.
Shoot! You kids ready? I got it.
You okay?
Same as always.
Much obliged. Hey, wait a second. I gotta heal.
Make it?
Been better.
Jesus, you shot me!
Humans 4, zombies nothing. Hey, Row Girl, heal.
Oh, all better now.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Sorry to wake you guys up, but I heard a noise coming
hell
from the barn.
no, boy.
Can you check it out? I'll start the RV.
Oh, man.
Heads up! Boomer!
Ammo here. Reload. Heads up! Spinner! Watch out! Oh, ho, ho. Weapons.
You can have this.
Thank you kindly, ma'am.
Grabbing fire bullets.
Grabbing incendiary ammo.
Everyone. Grab some incendiary
Incendiary
ammo.
ammo here.
Machete here.
Guns right here.
Deploying fire bullets.
Fire bullets here.
Yeah.
That motor's been like that for a while. I was hoping there'd be something useful in there.
Got a
But
defib
damn, you
unit.
hear that? There's
No.
a fucking horde coming. We better stay here and get our rest while we can.
Hell no.
Y'all ready?
Oh, hell no,
Yes.
Guys, we've got a
Take
problem.
this.
While you were all resting, the RV took one hell of a hit. The horde passed through and knocked it over. You're gonna have to get off this dairy farm without me and head
Hey,
through
y'all.
the
I
forest.
need help.
There's a
Oh,
cabin a ways north from here. From there, you should be able to find the motel.
Coach. So, pleased to meet you. You can call me Coach. What's your name?
Hey, thanks a lot.
Oh, hell no. Bullshit.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it.
No.
Sorry, no. Sorry. They ain't taking us alive. We whipped the dog shit out of them. Oh, Lord. Woo! Well, slap my head and call me silly. We are kicking some ass. First aid kit here. Heal it. Cover me, please. That's right. You can't kill us. First aid kit here.
I've been worse. What you mean?
Got this just for you.
Don't like being on the ground.
You can have this.
I'm good. I'm good. Well, I ain't on my back for nothing. What in the hell do you think? Man, this is about to get all bad. Fire in the hole!
Reloading!
God,
Reloading!
damn it! I can walk it off.
Well, nice.
Hell yeah!
Reloading!
Look,
Hey, we got a safe room ahead.
everyone just calls me Coach.
Fueling the generators to keep that power running on the gate. Generator shits out. And the
No,
lights
I don't need
start.
this.
That gate ain't holding for
Excuse
long.
me?
I got this one. Look out.
Got it!
Careful.
Throw the pipe bomb!
Hey, Hunter on coat. Jockey!
Got it off!
Hey, got a can.
Pipe bomb out.
Hunter's got coke. Got a can. I got this.
I got one. Four in the can.
I got it.
Wipe them all out. There'll be more on the way.
Kid, get inside. Healing. Cover me, please. That fits me up real good.
Can we not shoot each other?
That's how it's done right.
Ooh, all better now.
Got some chest back. First
Got a
aid.
defib unit.
Pipe bomb out.
Got a can.
Reloading. Fire spit coming. Reloading.
Damn it, truck broke down. All right, y'all will have to go on foot from here to that drugstore down yonder. It's safe-ish.
Well, ain't
I'll
that
be
a
there
load
come
of shit?
nightfall. All right, y'all take care now.
Everyone
and I
just
hope
That's
the
how
damn
it's
well
done
hope the
right.
path is clear of all them walkers out there.
Ain't that a load of shit?
Dang.
Hogwash!
N.O. Man, this about to get all Baghdad and shit. Ooh, how you like me? Thanks.
Yeah, no.
Move your ass. Let's go,
Nope.
people.
They ain't taking us alive.
Damn it!
Yeah, I'm ready. Y'all ready? No.
You first.
Tank!
Hey, shooting me ain't gonna help us kill that tank.
Shoot that thing! Shoot it! Shoot it!
Spinner.
Incoming!
Spinner's you. I'm down.
What we got here? I reckon I've been better. Walk it off.
Hey, thanks a lot. God damn, I hurt.
Reloading.
Just hang on. Let me heal you.
Bullshit.
Man. Hey, thanks a lot.
Well, I'll
You
be a
are
monkey's
welcome.
uncle. Ready?
Yeah.
Goddamn right! Reload. Hey, this way.
There's a freaking jockey around here.
Charger!
Hey, I'm reloading.
Alice, come on, man. First aid kit here. Ammo here.
Wait a second. I gotta heal. Much better now.
Quit screwing around. Get
First aid kit
inside.
here. Nice.
That's how it's done,
Keep going
right?
at 'em like that. First aid here.
First aid kit here.
Man, this is about to get all bad and shit. Fire in the hole! Hell no.
Sorry over there. Freeze.
Watch out!
Awesome, man!
Tank!
Man up! We gotta
Yeah.
Got him.
No, my bad. Sorry.
Reloading.
Ammo here.
Oh, right. Hand basket. Dude.
Fix the tracks.
Reloading.
You see that old cabin down there? That might just have what we need.
Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle.
Oh, man!
Shit.
Freaking jockeys around. Go get ready now. Ammo here. Reloading! Follow me this way. This
Sure.
way, guys.
I'm reloading.
Come on, stick with me, y'all.
I'm with you.
Follow me.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Shit, no.
Got a can.
You crazy? I got it.
I got this one.
Pour on the can.
I got one.
Hell yeah! Filling it up here.
Hey, got a can.
I got one.
I hear a hunter.
We got a hunter.
Filling it up here.
Y'all ready?
We got a boomer.
This thing fired up, you hear? I need you to keep an eye out, cover me from any walkers
of
that
a
stumble our way.
Reloading.
No,
Ready?
girl. Ain't gonna happen. Come on here.
Charger. Reloading. Hot stuff coming.
Hell yeah. Come on, jump aboard. We're busting out of here like bats out of hell.
Damn. Hold on, y'all. I gotta heal.